Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 30th of January 2023. Let's talk about SOFI today. Real quick, we're going to talk about the market in SOFI. You guys can see, first of all, that earnings is due at market open January the 30th, 2023. So expect some volatility to occur in the market in SOFI, even before, after the market. But nevertheless, the market always gives us ideas as to where price is trying to go. So I want to come through and show you all what I think about SOFI now, and see if we can give you all a new price target into the market for the stock. First of all, you guys can see I did a video not that long ago on the 14th of January looking for SOFI to go up. It did. You guys can see when the ultimate TP price was hit, 10.29% was created in that prediction. So now we're going to do this. Okay, I want everyone to really understand that the market in SOFI, okay, since the beginning of the year, it was able to go from $4.25 all the way up here to $6. That's 42% run. And it took the market this long to go up prior to earnings. So whatever the earnings may be, the market may take this opportunity and say, well, I'm already up 42% of my position. Let me sell it. And that will cause the demand to wane and push price down. Be prepared for that, because seemingly since the beginning of the year, SOFI has been in an uptrend. Now today, when earnings come out, this could be the trigger to push price right back down to where this trend line is. Just saying. I don't need to understand what's going to come out from the earnings. I could care less about what Anthony Noto, the CEO of SOFI, is going to say or do, what they plan for in the upcoming earnings. I already understand, basically off of market structure and the value of prices, that the market is actually telling us price could go down. Take a look. Pre-market already open $6.25. So market is already up in pre-market because of the earnings. Now, will that come through and play out for the rest of the day? We'll have to wait and see. But we already know that we're in an uptrend. Earnings is going to tell us at the end of today's trading day, it's going to let us know if that's going to continue. This trend is going to be massively important for SOFI. Okay. Now let's go look at this on the monthly chart first. Okay. So the monthly chart in SOFI, it looks decent. It looks good. I'm not going to tell you any stories from what I don't see on the chart. This monthly price bar right there in SOFI looks pretty decent. Now, considering that I said that, where do you think the market resistance is going to be? We have to look at these other monthly price bars to get an idea. Is it $7? Is it $7.50? What about $8.50? So right now, just looking at the monthly chart, we have an idea as to where price could go. $7, $7.50, $8.50. What do you think? Take a look at SOFI on the 3 weeks. Okay. This is the last completed 3-weekly price bar. Market doesn't look too strong, too weak, does it? No, it doesn't. The prior 3 weeks, you guys can see that we really haven't seen that much in terms of volatility. We finally see a pretty good spread. Price is trending up. 2 weeks. This is the second consecutive week that price in SOFI has been going up. Now, I do suspect that we're about to pump brakes, though. I really don't think that this is a new trend of a bull run, but rather we're going to create a consolidational trading range, trading channel, to where price is just going to trade that way. Okay, here it is on the weekly chart. So can you guys understand? Can you guys visually see where price could go? Okay, because I really want everyone to try to pinpoint, okay, if I were to participate into the market in SOFI, right, and I buy it at $5.94, where would I be willing to take the bag, or where would I want to take my profit? That's one area right here that I'm showing you. It looked like it's around 650. $6.65, give or take, but definitely $7. That's a logical area that we can see price in SOFI go right there. So I'm going to say like $6.60 to $7 will have to be the first area. Okay. So I do suspect that we do have a little bit more gas in the tank to allow price in SOFI to go up. So I'll get it right back in that forecast, looking for price to continue to trend higher, just like my last price prediction. And what I want the market to do, even if selling comes in from the earnings, even if volatility increases, I don't want to see the market in SOFI break $4.80. I don't want to see that, because that would definitely tell me that the trend in SOFI is broken. Okay, now take a look at this. Be prepared for price to get rejected here. Okay, right here at the high that occurred on November the 1st, 2022. That also was when earnings was reported. That's why the current pre-market is up there around there now. So if we don't see price break above $6.40, that is where the sellers are at. Because you guys can see even back then in November, price hasn't been above that $6.40 ever since then. I mean, $6.40 price since then. So if we don't see it again, understand that the opportunity of us seeing higher prices in SOFI also is diminishing. Okay, so like I said, I'm looking at like 650 as a first price level that we could anticipate price to go in SOFI. That's 9.61%. My second one is going to be up here towards 7, in or around $7. Okay, it might be a little bit less. It's going to be in that vicinity. So I'm just going to drop those two price targets right now in SOFI. Now we could see a longer term on the monthly charts, price in SOFI running to 770, but I want to see the earnings first. I want to see the price volatility in SOFI falling earnings, because if the strength continues, then yeah, longer term we could possibly see the market in SOFI run to $7.75, give or take. But we're going to put that on pause right now. We're just going to wait and let the market do what it do in the near term. Give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.